Front doors that face the sun, especially south and west-facing entrances, are exposed to conditions far more extreme than most homeowners realize, and they require protection that standard doors simply don't have. These doors absorb hours of direct UV radiation every day, driving surface temperatures far higher than shaded areas of the home. Most factory finishes and repaint jobs aren't designed to withstand this level of exposure, which is why sun-facing doors fade, peel, and fail much faster than expected. What these doors truly need is a high-performance protective system built specifically for UV resistance and thermal movement. That means finishes with advanced UV inhibitors, flexible coatings that expand and contract without cracking, and full sealing of vulnerable entry points, like edges, panels, lock cutouts, and the bottom rail. Without these safeguards, the sun breaks down finishes quickly, allowing heat and moisture to penetrate and accelerate internal damage. Sun-facing doors also benefit from design considerations most homes lack, such as proper overhangs, storm protection that allows airflow, or routine maintenance cycles tailored to high exposure. Simply repainting or staining isn't enough. Without specialized protection and regular upkeep, sun-facing doors age prematurely, often needing major repairs or replacement long before their time. Giving these doors what they actually need isn't about aesthetics. It's about acknowledging that constant sun exposure demands a higher level of protection than most homes are built to provide. Door Renew can provide that protection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.